what's good, y'all? It's your boy DJ Fanatic, founder of soundsforproducers.com. Yo, welcome to this really quick tip video where I show you two really cool things you can do in FL Studio. My bad for the hiatus. Definitely have to get back into making some really dope videos for y'all. Just been working on so many dope things, man. It's just crazy. But anyway, my bad, YouTube. I'm back. And also back with some awesome tips for you. So if you want to sell more beats, you want to make better music, and you want to make music for the rest of your life, start right now by hitting that sub button, click the bell as well, and give it a thumbs up if you learned anything today, and share the video if you know any producer homies that can benefit from it. So let's get into it. This video is about let me just start where I'm at right now and show you this cool tip that you can do in FL Studio. I don't know about other DAWs. You might be able to do some equivalent, but this is a quick way of doing it in FL Studio. I believe any version you can do this pretty much. So anyway, here's a little something I cooked up with the sound packs. Just threw on a loop. This is pad loop 1 out of the 2019 Breakthrough Volume 3, and also some percussion and drums on and random packs here. So let me hit just play and let you hear what's going on. And all those sounds are from our products, so check them out when you get a chance. And actually, the links will be in the description, and also a free loop pack will be in there as well. So the tip I was going to show you, let's select all in the channel rack, open up your channel rack, and what you can do is actually click on any sound that you use, and in the audio file area, the sound wave, grab it, left click, and drop it in here. And what it does, it finds where you had your sound. This was obviously shows you where the subfolder is with whatever folder that it's at. So it shows you exactly where the sound you got it, especially when you have like tons of loops or tons of different sounds and you're looking for that same kick or whatever. This is a quick way of finding it when you open up another project. You know which kick you use, you know where it's at, or whatever. We can do that with any sound in here, really. Drop it, and that's in the 2019 Breakthrough. That's the Cheers kick. And what's this? Like a percussion sound. Drop it in here. That's in the Scorpion Sting Volume 1 in the percussion area. So basically it reverses where you got it from, and it shows you. And this is dope when you want to know like the same kick you use in a beat you did a year ago, or if you have the same sounds in there, it'll locate it for you. And this is really good for loops too. This is the loop I used. And obviously I think I pitched it up or something. If I grab that loop, drop it, and it shows up under pad, and it gives me the exact name and where I got it from. So this is good for also some platforms now. When you're uploading your beats, it asks you if you used any loops, and you want to know exactly the name of the loop and where you got it from. And this is a quick way of kind of reverse engineering, in a way, finding where you got it from, and that way you can input that information. So that works with pretty much any sound, like I showed you: kicks, snares, percussion, whatever that's audio. Obviously it wouldn't work for plugins because the sounds come from the plugins themselves. So the other trick I was going to show you is adding stuff to your plugin favorites quickly, instead of putting it like in a what do you call it, in a section where, like for instance, miscellaneous. Instead of doing it this way and adding it into your sections like this, let me show you what I'm talking about, so it sounds like I'm making sense. Plus, see, these are like favorites. So instead of having miscellaneous in this section or under synth special, whatever, there's a quick way of just adding it to your favorites, especially when you buy new plugins and you want to get them quickly to your favorites. Go to options, manage plugins, and after you scan it, find plugins or whatever, what you can do is click on one of these arrows, and notice I have Fruity Balance clicked, and what it does, and this F I believe is for favorites, what it does is just adds it immediately to, for instance, I click here, notice Fruity Balance is right here at the top. Now it doesn't add it to a subsection, but it just adds it quickly to this favorite area up here. There's different ways of organizing this. I believe you can have it all just alphabetical. I might actually change that for myself, but I've been working with this hierarchy or this organization format for so long, but I might actually do that. And also I found out another way you can do it. You click on more plugins, and what you can do is, let's say Fruity Convolver, and I click that little arrow and I close it, and let's Fruity Convolver. So you get the idea. You can do that you know, in the options, manage plugins, or you can do it here, more plugins. And I might just take Convolver all for the favorite, but yeah, actually let me do that right now. More plugins, and I don't want that as a favorite, so it should disappear. Yeah, so you get the idea. So those are 2 quick tips I wanted to show you in FL Studio. And again, my bad for, you know, not doing a video in a minute, but thank you for all those that are getting the loop packs. Make sure you make some beats with those, sell more beats. That's our aim, is for you to succeed as a producer. Make dope stuff, be creative with it. Don't forget to make it your own. And as you can hear, there's some crazy drums in there. Also, you make sure you tag us on IG, Twitter, whatever content you put out, you know, with our sounds. We definitely want to show you love and show you support as a producer. So anyway, keep rocking, make some dope beats. And again, if you haven't subscribed by now, click that sub button. If you want to sell more beats, if you want dope sounds, you want to make better music, definitely click the sub button, click the bell as well. Give it a thumbs up to show your support and to help me stop stuttering, and keep rocking. Peace and love.